a Ghastly, a Diglett, okay? Just Diglett sucks, but okay. A Seal, a Nidoran male, Ponyta, and a Doduo. Well, that was the first pack, and I have to say it was trash. Alright, oh, messed up the camera. Next pack, Mega Blastoise. I'm feeling confident about this one. My goal is to get an EX. Or a really strong card. That is my goal for today. Well, I said today, this video. There we go. Oh gosh. Let me just look through it first. Ooh, and I caught that joint too. This thing again. Trainer card, Switch. Magmar. I think I already have one. Devolution Spray, have one. The legendary Mew, Hollow card. Slowbro Spirit Link. A freaking Magic card. Let's just get this over with already. Magikarp is a useless punk. I wanted to say the B word, but can't do that on YouTube. Strikes. Electabuzz, already have one, I think. A Rattata, a Growlithe. Oh, let me see. Growlithe. And Nidoran male again. Okay, this next one is X and Y Steam Sage. Has a Break Xerneas on it. Now this one has a Volcanion on the pack instead of a Break Xerneas. Honestly, I just could have got a... Ooh, I already see a Fairy type Pokemon. Let me just look through it first. Oh. So, we got a Monferno, my favorite fighting type, besides its evolved form, Infernape. This thing that I don't know how to pronounce that comes out of a claw fossil in North, and I know that's from Sinnoh. Nidorino. I'm gonna show that last. Okay, so we got a Gardevoir Spirit Link. A Driftmoon. A Reap. I think I already have one. Oh, I almost dropped it. Huh. Let me fix this whole deck. I'll mess up the... Ooh. And the camera falls. Alright. Got Fletchling. It's a little adorable self. 3 cards left. Yanma. Meryl. And the moment we have all been waiting for. It is a shiny Mega Gardevoir. Shiny Mega Gardevoir. And it had just 2 types. Fairy and Psychic. Dang. Told you I felt confident about that. Alright. Oh, forgot to show it. Sun and Moon pack. As we all know, Sun and Moon are the newest Pokemon games. I honestly, I finished my playthrough of Sun, just 2 weeks ago. Actually, that was last week. King Champion. Now, let's look through this. That's actually good. Ooh. That no one cares about. The Poison Barb. One, Litten's evolution. Torcat. Can't see the top part. A potion, which could be held. A fighting type or rock type energy card. Cause I don't know why Pokemon. Ooh. Toucanon. I honestly really like how they put Alolan. I mean, it's a Sun and Moon pack. What do you expect? A Great Ball. My favorite starter, Rowlet. Drowsy. Cutiefly, the cutest of them all. Makuhita and Snubbull. Alright. Primarina. Populous. Final evolution. Buddy. Hey, buddy. Dang, I'm already at 18. I'm already at 8:15. Ugh. Ooh. Already. That's a nice card. Let's look through this. This, no one needs. Pinsir. I already have one. This is the one from Kalos. Team Skull Grunt. Metapod. Fire type energy card. Butterfree. Yeah, that's the one. Poliwhirl. What has a little water symbol next to it. I like the ones that have their symbol in it and put into the card. Crab Brawler, another Alolan type Pokemon type. Sandile. Alolan Meowth. Alolan. Pick-a-Peck. And the evolution Pokemon. Eevee! So far, my best pull was that shiny Mega Gardevoir. Let's look at that again. Because that's just crazy. Jeez. Look at that. A shiny Mega Gardevoir. Alright. Last pack has Incineroar on it. My second favorite final evolution. And Litten is my second favorite starter. As already announced earlier. Damn, I'm at like 10 minutes now. Yeah, I just reached 10 minutes. And of course, ooh, this one has Solgaleo on it. I was about to say Solgaleo. Tell me why that looks like the YouTube icon. It has, ooh, this is a good Pokemon to use. This card, like I said earlier, no one. For some reason, they put this in every free pack. Okay, so we got Steam, the evolved form of Bounsweet. It needs to learn Stomp before it can evolve. Oh, that's nice. Another Poliwhirl. But this one doesn't have the water symbol mixed into it. Popplio's evolved form, Brion. No one ever knew how to pronounce Brion's name when it first got announced. Water type energy card. Oh my gosh. A Repel. Oh, another Snubbull. What's this? Yeah, shiny Mega Gardevoir. Carvenia or something like that. Zubats. Popplio. Togedemaru. And now, Introducing what? Now introducing a new addition to a team, another EX. I'm gonna give you guys a hint. It's an evolution. I'm gonna give you 10 seconds. Try and guess it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding. It's Umbreon. Okay, so let's get this recap. 2 EXs, 3, but one of them is fake. I'll probably try and get some more, but then again, probably not. But who cares? What? I just realized something. This is not an Umbreon EX, this is an Umbreon GX. Oh, I thought I said EX at first, but I like the shiny Mega Gardevoir. It's just tough. I'm gonna use it as a thumbnail, probably. Alright, guys, I will see you in the next video. Peace.